Depending on your child's background with place value and their flexibility with seeing quantities in different ways, the hardest part of subtracting from 2 and 3-digit numbers may be the renaming step. Think about me. I have a lot of different names. In school, my students address me as Dr. Straighten. If I'm with my friends, they'll call me Marianne. My brothers or my sisters-in-laws call me Marianne also. So different people might use the same name. And my niece and nephew call me Yaya. Depending on who is addressing me or who I'm talking to, I'm going to use a different name, even though it's still one me. My name doesn't change who I am, but my relationship with the particular person changes how I am named. The same is true for our numbers. So if I have the quantity 121, I could have the name 121 as 100, 2 tens, 1 1. But I might have the exact same value, the same quantity, with 1 less 10 and 10 more ones. So, on a place value chart, I could have 100, 2 tens, 1 1, or in the case of how I just changed my chips, my discs, I now have 100, 110, and 11 ones. It still has the same value. I just renamed my 121. I could even have, let's imagine I go back to 121 in my simplest form. I could even have 10 tens in place of this 100, so that I have 12 tens instead of having 100. In this case, my place value chart would show that I have 0 hundreds, 12 tens, 1 1. I still have the same amount. I've only renamed my number. I did not change its value. It's another name for 121. I could even take one of these place value discs of a 10 and trade it for 10 ones. And I'll move this over so you can see them all. So now, do I still have, let's move it so you can see. Do I still have a value of 121? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 121. Yes, I still have the value of 121, but the name for this value, using my place value chart, is going to be no hundreds, 11 tens, and 11 ones. My number of 121 is represented with this name, 11 tens, 11 ones. Getting comfortable with the idea of renaming is an important aspect of students' comfort with trading or unbundling so they can subtract a part from their whole.